Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to take a little bit of a road trip and go get an old pickup truck. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hey, you want to see something fun? This is what it looks like when a light bulb from the 1970s burns out slowly. I think what's happening here with this is it's let air in over time. So let's check it out. Let me plug it in. Oh, that one burned out real quick. Let me try this side. See all the smoke? It's filling the bulb, and there it went. So that's what it looks like when a light bulb burns out. All right, Ed and I are off to pick up a late 70s, I think it's a 78 Jeep pickup truck. It's going to be a little bit of a drive. First, we're going to take a tour of the property. We'll drive around the building once, and then we'll head out. All right, so we're going out to Abilene, Texas today. So it's about a two and a half hour drive. So we'll get some good scenery on the way out there, and it's a great day for a drive. The weather's really decent. It's supposed to be up in the mid 60s today, so it'll be a nice drive for sure. All right, just stop at old Mickey D's, get a bucket of food, and head out. Get back in the truck. Here we are. There she be. Yeah, a couple of whiskey dents, but I mean overall it's not bad because these were known for rusting out. underneath. Looks like it's got a 3-inch body lift on it. There you go. It was close. It rubbed on both sides. Yeah. All right. Now we get back in the car and drive home another 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Trailer, it was slipping.
Yeah, I could tell. A couple times the tires did rotate just a little bit. But
I thought so too. He said the front calipers might be locked up. That could have been a problem too.
That could be too, yeah.
I sometimes when I go downhill hauling load, I get nervous.
Yeah.
Like it's gonna push me.
Mm-hmm. Dun, dun, dun. All right, guys, it's the next day and we made it back, so let's get this beast unloaded. What's that? Oh. Alright guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, go ahead and send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address in the description below. right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell right next to it for your notifications. Thanks for watching.